If you're brand new to the Fairlight page in DaVinci Resolve, this is the easiest way to learn to make your videos sound amazing. Fairlight 101 is a course that we built from the ground up for beginners to audio. So if you use DaVinci Resolve and you want to make your videos actually sound great, this is perfect for you. By the end of this course, you'll be able to clean up dialogue, match microphones, remove noise, mix sound effects, balance music, and build a complete soundtrack for your videos that sounds professional. And to make this the best course ever, I partnered with Sam, who is our resident audio nerd. He does all of the audio for our short films, and he's a Fairlight genius.
We break everything down into super simple steps so that you understand what the tools do and why they matter. We start with the basics, what frequency is, what loudness means. Then we learn the most useful tools to fix problems, cleaning up dialogue, EQing voices, using dynamics, removing noise, and organizing your timeline so everything stays clear and manageable. You'll learn how to cut silence, adjust levels, normalize clips, hide and organize tracks, and use presets to get great sound fast. Through this course, we jump into fun projects that grow with you as you learn. You'll design sound for real-world objects, sync sound effects to video, combine layers, add ambience, and build full soundscapes from scratch. As we go, you'll learn how to mix with confidence, using buses, routing, and automation so every element sits exactly where it should in your final audio mix. We also walk through the most important panels in Fairlight and explain when and why to use them. At the end, we do a full audio treatment on a documentary. We shot this specifically for the course to give you a variety of different audio environments and challenges so that you can put everything you've learned to the test.
Sam and I worked together to build the course that we wish existed when we were learning this stuff. And after teaching millions of people DaVinci Resolve, I'm confident this is the very best way to learn Fairlight. And we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. If you don't think this is the best course ever, we'll just give you your money back. But if you're ready to up your audio game and make your videos sound professional, the course is called Fairlight 101, Introduction to Audio Post-Production in DaVinci Resolve. The link is down in the description, and yeah, I'll see you in there. Man, this is such a cool course. Sam and I have been working on this for a long time, and I'm just continually excited and surprised at how great of a teacher he is and how great these lessons are. And yeah, I'm really excited for you to dive in. So yeah, check it out.